How to get free Temu gifts. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin, and today I'll guide you on how you can get free gifts on Temu. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy. Temu app itself offers various options to its user to receive free gifts and offers as well. Now how you can get it, let me guide you through. If you open up Temu, you should be able to get various offers, login bonuses and such. You can see at the login page here on free gifts and credits option here. You want to head into this option here and you can see win 4 freebies, all free 10 Australian dollar items and 2 free items through Fishland game, and you can redeem credit as well. Now similarly, if you don't get this option here, this option is probably located under you here. You should be able to see earn free gifts and credits. At the bottom of the screen you'll find the you option. Now if you don't get this option, in some users you won't be able to find this option, like I didn't have this option before. Now it depends on your reason. If in your reason the free gifts option is available, it'll show up there, or else it will not. Now at the search bar, what you can do is you can search for free gifts option and it'll take you to the free gifts page like this. So here you can complete various offers, tasks, make purchases, certain purchases and get bonuses and such. That is the way that you can get free gifts here. Similarly, if you want to get it through playing game, you can head over to the search bar and you can search for certain available games such as Fishland. If I search for Fishland, it'll take me to this page here where I'll be able to get more gifts and credits and bonuses. So this is the way that you can get free Temu gift. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.